Hi, it's Joseph, and welcome back to the YouTube channel dedicated to San Miguel de Allende's secrets. And today we're going to talk about lighting up the town during the holiday season. As always, if you need more information, there's a box below with links to various websites, including one to Amazon.com, if you wish to purchase any of the books in the best-selling series, San Miguel de Allende's Secrets. When I was a kid, it drove me to distraction that my father refused to allow me to incorporate outside lights into our home's Christmas decorations. His thinking was he took the bump in electricity bill for said lights and mailed the money to a Native American reservation. This was before the time of casinos, and my father's donation may have actually came in handy to the indigenous. As my parents and I got older and I took over some of their financial responsibilities, I was shocked to approach their house one holiday season to see outside Christmas lights. I teased them about noticing they were more free and easy with the holiday decor costs now that someone else was paying the light bill. My mother was aghast, insisting, quote, "We pay our own electricity, tell 'em, John." To which my father got that far-off look in his eyes and sheepishly admitted, "You know, Phyllis, I can't remember the last time I saw an electricity bill." I remember this moment every year, every time we get a newly elected San Miguel de Allende mayor, because he gets to pick their version of the public holiday lights around town. Personally, I kind of like the implied cold from the hanging blue icicles a few years back. But when the mayor goes with the traditional red, white, and green lights, I tend to get momentarily confused if it's Christmas or Independence time of year because they both use the same color scheme. The most recent mayor opted to feature locally produced decorations of native flora and fauna. It was a nice gesture and a different spin on public decor in today's holiday season. As always, feel free to click the subscribe now button below and you'll get notifications of new videos that come out almost daily here on the YouTube channel dedicated to San Miguel de Allende's Secrets.